Hello friends, today in this tutorial, I will be telling you that how basically you can build out this Zoom clone using WebRTC. Basically, this is the application you can see on your screen I have built. So you can just chat for unlimited period of time, guys. So multiple people can connect in this chatting application. So basically, it's a real-time chatting application. You can see this is the interface of this application. So I have given all the source code, guys, of this application in the description of the video. You can go to it and you can purchase the code. So this is a premium application I have developed here for all the users. So if you want to integrate it inside your HTML file, simply copy paste that HTML file that I had given in the description. After you purchase the code, you will get the index.html. You simply need to embed your inside your application. You will see this is as you run this application, you need to first of all grant the permissions. So let me just reset the permissions and now again start this. So if you reload the application, now you first of all need to allow the camera permission and microphone permission. So simply click allow and now it will simply display your web camera. So after this, guys, this is the video conferencing app. So let's suppose you are in a meeting, you need to connect with your friends across the globe. So what you can do inside your Zoom clone, guys, so simply we can just type your name. I can just write here Kane Williamson. So click on join meeting. You can even join without audio as well. There is an option here. So it's a very extensible video chatting application. So now if you click join meeting, so now you are successfully joined here, guys. So you will see there are lots of options out there. You can mute your audio. You can even stop your camera as well. You can also screen share. If you want to do screen sharing, guys, you can select a particular window here. Let's suppose I want the entire thing to share. Click on share. So now you can see I'm sharing the window. I'm sharing my screen. So that's why you can toggle this. And also inside this video conferencing applications, guys, you can basically whenever you want to ask a question, you can raise your hand. So you can see the hand will be raised. So number of hands are raised. So basically this tells someone is asking questions. So this is really helpful inside applications. You can even put here laughing animation as well, guys. You can see, let me just hear that. Let me just turn off the volume here. You can see a lot of sound effects will be there. Let me just put this. Uh, Let me select this one. You can see the sound effect that happened for the laugh here. So it is just giving the effect that many people are laughing at the same time. Let me select this one, surprised. You can see how basically it is putting these effects out there. These are all sound effects, guys, pre-built sound effects. Woo. You can see that. This is silence. You can see that how it is basically. So thumbs up. You can see that. So it's a really good application, guys. You should definitely try out. I have built it from scratch, so it's my hard work, so that's why I'm charging you this. I have taken a lot of time to build this application from scratch in pure JavaScript. So the nice thing, let me just show you the all the, you can even toggle all the search all this. You can see that. I have also just connected the Giphy API. So let's suppose if you want to select it particular, you can see that. You can also toggle this raise hand. And then we have our tile view, guys. If you want to view like this, you can also do like this also, like this. And more actions as well, guys. If you want to start a live stream also, you can start your recording also. If I click start recording, you will see that it will save the recording file locally, and it can basically it can store up to 1 GB of video, so which is around 100 minutes of video. So click on start recording and basically you,
Recording is on.
you can see recording is on. So now your recording is started, and basically it's a fully fledged application, guys. It can record, it can basically raise hands, mute audio, shared screen as well. At any point of time, if you want to stop the recording, you can click stop sharing, and now your this file will be downloaded as a WebP file here. If I open this file here, you will see that this file will be opening. You can see recording is on. So now your recording is started, and basically it's a fully fledged application, guys. It can record, it can basically raise hands,
So you can see
mute
that, guys,
audio,
it
share
has
screen as well.
recorded
And
this all the activity that
at any
I.
point of time, if you want to stop.
So you can see that it's a fully fledged video recorder as well. So I think that all the features are supported here. You should definitely try out this application. It takes, I think, it took me around 2 weeks to develop this application in pure JavaScript, and I'm not using any sort of library. You can even select your background as well, guys. Let's suppose you want to add a background. You can even add a background, virtual background. You can see that. Basically, you can change your background as well, a transparent background. And now if you click apply, so what will happen here, you will see that your background will be changed. If I can move my hand here, you will see that the background is changed here. And let me now select a different background here. Let me remove this. You can even select your own image as well, guys. Let's suppose I want to select any other image that I wanted. You will see that it will apply to this. So now your background is changed without a green screen. You will see that the background is changed without your green screen. So it's a little bit laggy because my internet connection is low, and also it depends upon your web camera quality as well. So my web camera quality is not good. That's why it is lagging here. So you can see it is the background is removed here, and that's a really good thing about this. And basically a lot more options are there. You can even start your live stream as well. You need to enter your YouTube live stream here, key here. You can sign in with Google right here in at Silv. So click on start live stream to start live streaming it. It's a very fully fledged application, and you can even show a whiteboard as well. Let's suppose you want to explain something on the basically you can put shape here, draw something on the screen, and want to teach something, you can also teach here by showing this whiteboard. So this is basically a good option. You can even hide this, and now let me deselect this. Let's suppose I don't want to remove my background. So what I will do is that click on none, click on apply. So now the background is normal again. And also you can select your participation stats, guys. You can see only one person is there. Let's suppose I open the same link in the next window, next browser tab. So what will happen, guys? You again need to click start button, and basically now you need to enter a different name. Let's suppose I write here Stuart Broad, and click on the join meeting option, guys. So what will say, you will see two persons will be there now. And if I see participation stats, you will see this one. And here also you can see two persons are joined in. You can see that. You can even flip your photograph. You can also pin to stage like this. And let's suppose, guys, I left meeting here. Let's suppose I left meeting. You can even leave the meeting as well. So now what will happen? Basically, you will see that the person has left. If I close this, you will see that the person will go on here. The signal is not great, connection good. You can see that. You can even unpin this as well. So this is the good application, guys. This is socket.io. Basically we are using socket.io WebRTC to build this Zoom clone application with a lot of features. I have shown you all the features. You can live stream, you can video record, you can apply more filters, you can also put these sound effects also, and basically you can start live stream, you can also start recording, you can share your live stream as well.
You can also show whiteboard as well to explain something on the screen. So it is also very good for teaching purposes as well. If you are teaching someone, you can just teach it for multiple people. So it supports multiple people, guys. Multiple people can join it. You just need to share this link with your friends, and each link is opened inside a different browser, inside different window. Because I have the same browser, so that's why I'm opening it inside different tabs. So you will see that you just need to click join, join, join. So what it will do, basically three persons have now joined in. You will see that this is one, two, three. So three persons are chatting at the same time. So you can raise your hand. You can even chat with one another. Let's suppose I put hi message here. This will be received here also. And if I say, you can also create a poll here, ask a question, put options. You can say, you can even remove the option. Click on send. So now you can see you're created a new poll out there. So let me select the first option, click on submit. You will see this one has one vote. You can even change your vote. Let's suppose I select the second one. You can even select multiple items as well. So like this. So you can see create a poll. You can see. So now the poll has been created, and basically, so in this way, guys, you can build out this application and use it. I have given the source code in the description of this video, so make sure you buy it. If you like this, if you want to integrate it inside your own website, this supports all the features that I've shown you guys. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. If you want to get the source code, go to the description of this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.